Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So in this video I'm trying to find a location for this fuel pump. It's a Weldon 1100. It's good up to 1400 horsepower. So I probably gotta do the installation underneath the car or get another fuel cell and put it back here on the trunk. I don't know what you guys think, but this is my situation right now. This they all set up with the Warbro 450. This is how it was. So I was thinking somewhere over here. I don't know if it's a good idea. Tell me what you think. Maybe over here, or maybe on that side over there. Alright guys, I already got the fuel tank, fuel line, all the fittings. That's the pump I'm gonna be using. Everything's going to be located back here, right here in the supposed to be the spare tire. That factory fuel tank, I'm gonna remove it. They're gonna drop it. I'm not gonna be using it anymore. And let's see how this come out. Alright guys, I finally got the fuel tank in there. It took longer than what I was expecting because I had to put different shims underneath the fuel tank, make sure it's level. But I finally made it and it's solid already. It's there. But that's pretty much the fuel setup I'm going to be using. Hopefully you guys like it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. So all I gotta do now is run the fuel lines to the engine and block over there and over there, make sure it looks fine. But that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos.